wakey. Hey guys, good morning. Look at the view. What a nice view from here. Let me show you from the outside.
So we are in Tulum, day 2 in Coco Limited, and we woke up this morning with the beach view, beautiful. And now we are going for breakfast, so breakfast is included, and that is going to happen in this Coco Limited restaurant, which is beachside. So very excited to show you guys how it looks and how is the breakfast. We are very, very, very hungry. Let's do it.
Where is this?
Hola.
Mr. Ting?
Bienvenidos.
Thank you.
How are you today?
Doing good.
So we ordered some banana hotcakes and seasonal fresh fruits. And our avocado toast is here. Looks so yummy. And a very good omelette also. What a beautiful day for the beach. And this is here our personal daybed area.
Hey guys, look at this. This is the credit card that they use here. Whichever room you get, and then the back side. Let me hide it. This is the back side. They put some number and your signature. And then you can use this anywhere, and they will charge to your room later on. How cool is that? All right.
Hola guys, so this is our day 2 in Tulum, and as we told you, we had breakfast. It's a beautiful day, so we are out here at beach. So they have this, Coco Limited has a cool swings where you can sit, chill, see the view, and look at the view guys, so amazing. After this we are just going to chill at the day bed and have some cold beer and then just chill and relax. We took some photographs here which you will see somewhere on our Instagram, so make sure you follow us on Instagram if you're not. Follow us for our stories and enjoy this vacation with us. Muchas gracias. Who is ready for dinner and some cool nightlife in Tulum? Us, with you.
Okay. Yeah. So we are going for dinner to Indian restaurant named Shiva.
Yeah.
Ratings are very good. So let's see. Check it out.
It's open till 11.
Yeah.
It's just 8:30 right now, so we'll just walk there. It'll take 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll check out the nearby area. Hopefully, we'll find something to chill. Otherwise, we'll just go directly and have dinner.
Yes. So,
So we are ready. Okay. See you
let's
guys
go.
here. And this is the Selena. Look at the entrance. Oh my god. Look at the entrance, guys. Amazing. It's a restaurant and beach club. What we found finally. We found our Tulum. Look at this, pretty. So it has a roller vegan restaurant, and this is hotel. Another beautiful boutique, and there's another restaurant there, another shop there. It's like a full-on shopping area. You don't need to look for. There's ATMs also. There's money exchange centers also. Honestly, you don't need to look for downtown or anything. This is the whole street, this hotel zone area street is full of such cool stuff, restaurants, bars. Amazing. And it has taxi if you don't want to drive, so you can just walk one way and take taxi while coming back if it's too late in the night. But it's totally safe. There are a lot of tourists and there are a lot of activities happening at the same time. This is some Luna, and there's a lot of parking spaces also if you're renting your car. And on the right side some party and music is going on.
Buck.
Its name is Buck. Hotel receptionist recommended for tonight for drinks and dinner if you want. Rosa Negra.